हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कार इन्फॉर्मेशन। और आज मैं अपनी अल्कराज में डोर वाइज़र और डोर बीडिंग्स लगा रहा हूँ। तो जस्ट हैव ए लुक एट इट, कैसे फिक्स हो रही है। तो ये व्हाट दे विल डू इज़, अभी ये थोड़ा इसको क्लीन, दे विल क्लीन द एरिया वेयर दे विल स्टिक द डोर वाइज़र. Door visors are important because it protects when it is raining, it protects rain to get inside the cabin. This is the accessories. And ये क्या सोल्यूशन है?
ये प्राइमर होता है सर, पेस्टिंग के लिए बढ़िया रहता है।
अच्छा, पेस्टिंग के लिए.
हाँ जी।
So they use this for pasting. You will have a lot of background noise because this is a service station. So this is the door visor which we will get it fixed.
हेलो, अरे भाई ये खड़े हुए काम करता भी आके मिल जाता हूँ आपसे। बोलो, आ रखा है। अरे ये काम करना करेंगे, मैंने बोला करूँ मैं काम नहीं है। चलो ठीक है, 5-7 मिनट का टाइम दे दो।
This is the one which they will fix now. So they are taking this tape off, which will now get fixed here. See, this is how it will get fixed. This is how it is getting fixed. Not only it protects rain to get inside the cabin, but it also helps you from the sunlight. All right, let's look at this one. This is the second one which they will fix. Same procedure, they will take the tape off. They are taking the tape off. And I would always recommend that you should go to authorized service station and buy authentic company validated, company sponsored accessories, because the quality of the accessory is going to be very good, and it is also going to be durable. Alright, so let's look at now. Okay, so here it goes. It is getting fixed now here. Alright, so it also gives car a very aesthetic, enhances the aesthetic look of the car. So this front portion, see, this is very sturdy. It has fixed pretty nice. Now they will place it here also. So this is the one which will be fixed on the rear two doors. So the cost of these visor are approximately 22,000 plus, 2200 plus, sorry, it is 2200 plus, not 22,000. So it is getting fixed. Okay, so here it gets fixed. So perfection is very, very important, and that is the reason I would suggest that you should go to an authorized service station to get such accessories fixed, because you know you are spending a lot of money on your car, and you should not get into the hands of a local accessory seller who may have the expertise, but they are not trained guys. They learn on the job, but these people here are trained by Hyundai to do such jobs. and the price difference is not that much technically. So here we go for the rear door. It is fixed and we are done with this. Now is the turn for the door beading. So this is the door beading. This is black in color. Again, this is Hyundai sponsored. So the procedure is they will have to clean it. This is how they will fix. Ensure that even if you are getting it fixed from outside, ensure that they apply a cleaner which removes all the dust. So the advantage of this cleaner is that it takes all the dust off, so that when you are sticking the door visors, they get fixed very firmly and it don't come off easily. Alright, so let's look at this. So okay, so this is going to be interesting. Again, this not only protect door from hitting the other cars when you park in the parking lot, but this also kind of enhances the beauty of the car. So fixing, so alignment, positioning, everything is very important, and that is the reason I am reiterating again that you should get it fixed by authorized service station, and it will help you maintain the mental peace, which is very important. Okay, so here we go with the first one, and okay, the alignment is very important. Here you go. The alignment is done, and it comes in different color, so that's a personal choice, but I would suggest that you must get fixed this on your door, so that you don't get to see those ugly dents on the door when you accidentally bump it with the car parked on the other side. Alright, so this is the one we are fixing for the rear door, and then we'll go to the other side to fix it. They are taking the tape off. So after the tape is taken off, it exposes the glue which technically is sticking to the door. And another advantage I would tell you that if you are buying stuff from authorized service center, then in exceptional circumstances, if you have to take these beadings off, it will not affect the color of the car, or the paint would not and the paint would not come off. So we are done with this. Now we will go to the other side of the car, and the same procedure. So they will use it is a sort of a cleaner. It removes all the dust from the door, so that it gets fixed properly. Okay, stay tuned. Here you go. So the process of taking the tape off is, the moment you take the tape off, it exposes the glue, and which then finally stick onto the door. So same process will be followed, alignment, the distance is measured, and then it will be stick to the door. I think out of the all things which I have just called out, one of the most important thing is the glue and the craftsmanship. It must be carried out by a skilled craftsman. Okay, so this is done. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So we are left with okay, so the final door beading is happening now. There you go. This is done. So this is done. Hope guys you liked it. This was the video. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned. Shabba Khair till the next video. Bye bye. So guys, this is the carton of a genuine accessory. I mean, for you to identify whether it is genuine accessory or not, this is what you need to look at. This barcode, I mean, if you scan this barcode, this will tell you that this is a genuine accessory. So, and same is the case with the door visor which we have fixed. So you will get the barcode here. This is the barcode. If you scan it, you will get to know that this is a genuine accessory and not the duplicated one. Thank you guys.